I'm going to show assembling the billet grip protector. The purpose for these are, it comes with all competition handguard systems. In the event you take your handguards off to moto, or as simple as just selling your bike and your grips are cut off, this is a nice addition. The billet grip protector works very well with the nylon inserts, and what this does, it's a non-moving part. In the event you would ever crash, it doesn't let the throttle jack open. They come, if a competition handguard system, whatever color you would happen to get, they match the color match, and it's as simple as using the same bolt that you use with handguards, or if you're buying the billet grip protectors as a kit, it comes with the supplied bolt, and it's as simple as you put the bolt through the billet grip protector, and in this case we have the G2 nylon inserts already installed in the bar, so we're just going to turn it in with the G2 nylon inserts. The nice key of that is as you tighten this, the inserts are nylon, so they act the exact same way as a nylon nut, and so you put that on there and you don't have to be afraid to tighten her up. And now in the event that you would fall, that doesn't jack the throttle wide open, or you can go from a wood setup with the competition handguard system to a moto and don't have to run around the track with the end of your grips cut off.